I'm going to sleep outside of the subway station.
Madison, wake up.
Yes, Dad, what are you doing here?
Madison, how dare you sleep outside of the subway station? You know the subway station is not really your bed. That's it. You are grounded until 2020. When we get home, I want you to go upstairs to your room now.
What?